Welcome back, vocabulary warriors. Today's words are often heard in news, politics, and big changes. Think elections, protests, reforms, and scams. We will again connect them with Bollywood reference to make them unforgettable. First word is groundswell, meaning a fast growing wave of public opinion or support. Sentence is there was a massive groundswell of support for teachers' protest in Tare Zameen Par. Synonyms are surge, wave, uprising. Antonyms are decline, recession, and drop. Say it with me. Groundswell means a sudden rise in public support. Second word is fraudulent, means intentionally dishonest, fake, or cheating. Sentence is in Special 26, the team runs a series of fraudulent raids by posing as CBI officers. Synonyms are deceptive, fake, and dishonest. Antonyms are honest, genuine, and legitimate. Say it with me. Fraudulent means something that is cheating or fake. Third word is plebiscite, means a direct vote by people on a specific issue. Sentence is in a fictional Bollywood future, a plebiscite decides whether the state should split into two. Synonyms are referendum and public vote. Antonyms are dictate, decree, and imposition. Say it with me. Plebiscite means public vote on an important issue. Fourth word is snowball, meaning to grow rapidly in size or intensity. Sentences in Chak De India, the team's confidence began to snowball with every win. Synonyms are escalate, multiply, and expand. Antonyms are shrink, reduce, and diminish. Now say it with me. Snowball means to grow quickly and uncontrollably. Fifth word is overhaul, meaning to completely improve, fix, or rebuild something. Sentence in Dangal, the father overhauled the girls' training to prepare them for wrestling glory. Synonyms are revamp, rebuild, and renovate. Antonyms are neglect, damage, or ignore. Say it with me. Overhaul means to fix or rebuild something from the ground up. Review time. Quickly recap all the words. First word was groundswell, means sudden rise in public support. Second was fraudulent, means fake or dishonest. Plebiscite means public vote on an issue. Snowball means rapidly increase. And fifth word overhaul means complete fix or rebuild. Guess the word challenge. Let's play again. Read the clue, recall Bollywood style hint, and guess the word. First question is the teachers' movement in Tare Zameen Par gained a huge dash. Hint is this word means a sudden rise in support from the public. Your answer is groundswell. Second question is in Special 26 the raids were completely dash. Hint is it describes something dishonest or fake, especially in cheating the people. Answer is fraudulent. Post your answers in the comment. See you next time. Bye bye.